tayo tumingin. Hello guys, so today I'm playing Sassy Lassie game. Lost in Roblox history. Yun ang padanan. So, like this is already sus. Oh my god! Oh my god! Guys, don't look! Oh my god, this is so sus. Oh my god, what is this? What is this? Is this a cellphone? Oh my god, guys! May text tayo! Ayun guys, oh! Ruby, Jason, Joe, Matt or Tot? Matt or Tot? Ruby, Jason, Joe. Silly promise what? Silly promise what? So sus. No, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh! You? So sus! So sus! Hala guys, testing ko niya. Oh my god! So sus! So sus! Oh my god! Like, really narating yung si Bacon. Si Bacon! Ah! Okay guys, okay. I don't want to test this anymore. Nah, you mega. Okay, at least tinatak ka ni girl. Ayan guys. Slave. Oy, nag-chill lang ako. Oy, girl, wag ka sumabek. Oh my god, guys. Ito lang talaga ang map. Guys, ang so size. Oh my god. Guys, meron so size. Guys, your Kiwi. Kiri! Ah! Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. This is so sad. Oh my god. Guys, may gay dito si meron gay. Oh my god. Ito pa kakalagay nila laro. Oh my god, this is so sad. Ah! Ito lang, oy. Ba't babae? Hoy, ako dyan. Get out. Ako dyan. Get out, sabi. Oh my god, this is so sus. Bro, i-testing mo lang. Ah! Yo! Okay! Guys, ano to? Kada. Hello. Guys, pretend nothing ever happened. Ayan. No.
Sige na, Ben. Sabi, Ben.
Oh my god.
Yo.
No, guys. Hi! Okay, stop it now. Bukas, promise. Like, really? Guys, so suspicious.
Sige na.
Guys, the sim to! Bakit may dalawang cellphone? Kaninong cellphone to? Bakit babae na naman to? Lalaki ba yun o babae? Hindi ko alam. Relaxing! This look like an innocent video, but you look at the other side. Never! Sumasayaw dito si girl, oh. Galing ni girl. Hindi ko alam kung paano gawin yan. Hindi ko alam paano. Oh my god, guys. There's still, oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh my god! So sus! SC. Sus! So sus! Oh my god! At least, oh my god, guys, nag-fall in love. My crush na siya. Nakikilala na siya. Tingnan mo naman siya. My crush na siya. Tingnan mo naman sila. Ang crush nila. Slay! May crush pala si girl. Ew. Panis palang ew. Ew. Kadiri! Ew! Sabi alis. Oh my god, guys. This game ay so sus. Ay, ibig sabihin yan. Sasabihin niya ba? This game is so sus. I'm so sus too. Yun bang sasabihin ng bobo? Hala guys. Wala akong magawa. Po. Bawal. Lahat bawal. Guys, nag-online date. Sana all. Magto-throw up ako. Saan yung discuss more? Ay, kadiri! Ew! What's discussing? Bleh. This really life. Ano ibig sabihin? This is really real life. Yung bang dapat sasabihin ng bobo? Nakikiss ba din sila? Guys. Nakikiss pa din sila. Ano ba to? Road trip ang maukarit. Ito ba to? Road trip pa to kadok. So, nahanap ko tong video na ito si TikTok.
Hindi ko alam kung saan ko siya. Free hug!
Hey mom, apparently my
Nog nog.
Make me. I accident. I make
Nog.
Hey mom,
free hug.
So guys, ito ang video. Oh my god. Okay, we're back into the game. Okay, balik na tayo. Kaya ako. Ah! Oh my god! Paano ba to, okay? Bawal. Takpan ko muna. Okay guys. Okay. Itanggal natin ng camera. Like a little bit, like, oh my god. Duck! Duck! Ayun. Ayaw na to. Si Bacon, hindi ako Bacon. Sino si Bacon? Hindi ako Bacon. Siya ate si Bacon. I don't want to be friends. I know to be friends. Ah! Okay, at least this is not sus. Konti lang. Like, only like 50%. Oh my god, guys! My crush! Yay! I am crushy! Yay! Alam mo, guys, may crush na sila! Alam mo ba? Sino nagsabi na crush ko siya? Hindi mo sinabi! Hey! Hey! Okay, bye-bye na.